Hello friends, welcome back to Rising Mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this exercise question from book Contemporary Abstract Algebra by Gallian. Question is, prove that if A is the only element of order 2 in a group, then the element A lies in the center of the group. Now, before proving this given result, firstly we will recall concept of center of a group. So, the center denoted by this symbol ZG of a group G is the subset of elements in G that commutes with every element of group G. So, in symbols, the center ZG is collection of all elements A in group G satisfying this property. AX is equal to XA for all elements X in group G. Now, we will start our proof. Let us consider G is a group and A is an element in group G such that A is the only element of order 2. Now since A is element of order 2, we have A square is equal to identity of group G. Now consider an element of this form G inverse AG in group G where G is some element of group G. So we get G inverse AG square. This can be written as product of G inverse AG with itself. Again, this can be written as G inverse AG, G inverse AG. Now, this G inverse will result into the identity of group G. So, we get this. Again, this can be written as G inverse A square G. Now, since we have A square is the identity of group G, so this can be written as G inverse EG, which is equal to G inverse G. Now again G inverse G will result into the identity of group G. So we get G inverse AG square is equal to the identity element of group G. Now since G inverse AG square is the identity element of group G, so we have two choices for order of the element G inverse AG. That choices are order of G inverse AG is equal to 2 or order of G inverse AG is equal to 1. Now we will consider these two choices. So if we suppose order of G inverse AG is 1, now we know that in a group G, identity element is the only element of order 1. So G inverse AG must be equal to the identity of group G. Again, post multiplying by G on both sides, here we get AG is equal to G. Then using cancellation property in group G, this can be written as, or this becomes A equals to identity of group G. But we have given that A is the only element of order 2. That is order of A is 2. And here we get A is identity of group G. So this is not possible. And this is a contradiction. So the case order of G inverse AG is equal to 1 is not true. So we must have order of G inverse AG is equal to 2. Now it is given that A is the only element of order 2. So the element G inverse AG must be equal to A. Again, pre-multiplying by G to this we get AG is equal to GA. Now here we have considered any arbitrary element G of group G and we get this. So we can conclude that AG is equal to GA for all elements G in group G. And so using definition of center, A will be this element of center of a group G and this proves the given result.